Baba Vanga's chilling alien prediction. Scientists warn alien ship may attack Earth in 2025. Could humanity be on the brink of an alien encounter, one that's far more sinister than we ever imagined? Baba Vanga's chilling prediction about alien contact in 2025 might be coming true sooner than expected. And it's not the friendly handshake we hoped for. But here's where it gets controversial. Scientists now claim that a massive object, larger than Manhattan and hurtling toward Earth at a staggering 130,000 miles per hour, could be an alien spacecraft, and it might not come in peace, according to a report published on July 16th on the preprint server Oryx, and picked up by outlets like the New York Post. A team of researchers has issued a startling warning. The object, named 3I Atlas, was first spotted on July 1st and is on a collision course with the Sun. Just one day after its discovery, astronomers confirmed it's not from our solar system. Initially, it was thought to be a comet, roughly 15 miles wide, bigger than Manhattan. But here's the twist. Some scientists believe it's not a natural object at all. In a thought-provoking paper, researchers Avi Loeb, Adam Hibbard, and Adam Kroll from the Initiative for Interstellar Studies suggest that 3I Atlas could be a piece of alien technology in disguise. Loeb, a Harvard astrophysicist known for his bold theories, argues that the object's unusual trajectory and extreme speed are too anomalous to ignore. Could this be evidence of intelligent design? And this is the part most people miss. Loeb points out that the object's path allows it to pass near Jupiter, Mars, and Venus, prime locations for deploying surveillance devices. But what's truly alarming is what happens in late November. When 3I Atlas reaches its closest point to the Sun, it will temporarily disappear from Earth's view. Loeb speculates this could be a deliberate move to avoid detection, the perfect moment for aliens to launch something toward our planet. If true, this could validate the dark forest hypothesis, a chilling theory that suggests advanced alien civilizations remain hidden to avoid threats. But Loeb takes it a step further. This might not just be surveillance. It could be the prelude to an alien attack. Should we start preparing defenses? Whether 3I Atlas is a harmless comet or a cosmic Trojan horse, the world will be watching as November approaches. But here's the question that keeps us up at night. Are we ready for what might come next? What do you think? Is this a legitimate threat or just another cosmic curiosity? Let us know in the comments. This is one debate you won't want to miss. Interstellar Comet 3I ATALS, discovered by the world's most powerful telescope. Imagine the thrill of spotting an alien visitor from light years away. That's precisely what the newly operational foresee Rubin Observatory in Chile achieved, detecting an interstellar comet a full 10 days before any other observatory. This extraordinary comet, known as 3I Atlas, is now zipping through our solar system, marking only the third time in history that an interstellar object has been confirmed to pass through our cosmic backyard. It joins the legendary Oumuamua and Comet 2I Borisov in this exclusive club, Rubin Observatory, the cosmic watchdog. During its initial test runs, the Rubin Observatory aimed its colossal camera at a specific patch of sky. By a stroke of cosmic luck, this region happened to intersect with the path of 3I Atlas on June 21st in what researchers termed a remarkable cosmic coincidence. Rubin's state-of-the-art imaging system captured the interstellar comet as it hurtled towards the Sun. Although the official discovery was announced later, these preliminary images were crucial in confirming the comet's interstellar nature. The Rubin Observatory, named in honor of the trailblazing astronomer foresee Rubin, boasts the largest digital camera ever built for astronomical purposes. Its enormous 3.2 gigapixel sensor, roughly the size of a compact car, can produce incredibly detailed images of the deep universe. On June 23rd, the observatory released its first set of public images, showcasing a breathtaking mosaic of millions of stars and galaxies. Among these were glimpses of distant supernovas and intricate galactic structures, underscoring Rubin's potential to revolutionize our understanding of the cosmos. unveiling an interstellar origin. The comet's identity was officially confirmed by the International Astronomical Union's Minor Planet Center on July 2nd, establishing that 3I Atlas originated from beyond our solar system. Initial detections were made using data from the Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System, ATLAS, between June 21st and 29th, and again on July 1st. Concurrently, the Deep Random Survey Telescope in Rio Hurtado, Chile, also observed the object. Shortly thereafter, astronomers at the Gemini North Telescope in Hawaii captured detailed images of the comet's coma, revealing a diffuse cloud of gas and dust enveloping its icy core. This behavior indicates that 3I Atlas shares many traits with traditional comets, despite its extraterrestrial origin. One astonishing aspect of 3I Atlas is its age. Preliminary analyses suggest it is about 2 billion years older than our solar system, making it the oldest comet ever identified. Its speed is equally impressive. According to a preprint study awaiting peer review, 3I Atlas is traveling at a staggering 37 miles per second, 60 kilometers per second, significantly outpacing its interstellar predecessors. The crucial role of Rubin's early images. Rubin's early observations are detailed in a recent paper published on RXIV, which includes 49 images of the comet. Some images were excluded from the analysis due to being captured during alignment calibration, resulting in slight blurriness. However, 19 images taken during deliberate operations provided sharp views of 3I-ATL's comet-like features, such as its coma and movement patterns. These high-resolution images are particularly valuable. Did 3I Atlas go viral? Exploring the mystery of the interstellar object. Have you ever wondered what it takes for a scientific discovery to truly capture the public's imagination? When even your local carpenter or car mechanic starts asking about your latest research without any prompting, you know something big is happening. This was exactly the case with the interstellar object 3I Atlas. The buzz around this mysterious visitor from beyond our solar system reached a fever pitch. And it wasn't just among academics or astronomy enthusiasts. It trickled down to everyday conversations in the most unexpected places. But here's where it gets controversial. Why does it seem like the scientific community resists public curiosity instead of embracing it? Engaging the public in cutting-edge science has always been a challenge. But over the past few decades, the gap between scientists and the general public has widened significantly. Today, many researchers communicate their findings through press conferences that feel more like lectures than dialogues. Questions are encouraged, sure, but genuine debates, not so much. Funding decisions are often made within insular circles, far removed from public input or scrutiny. This approach creates a fundamental problem. Science isn't meant to be static. It thrives on exploration, humility, and an unrelenting pursuit of truth, even when the answers don't align with preconceived notions. Consider dark matter research. Billions of dollars have been poured into searching for weakly interacting massive particles, WIMPs, yet no conclusive evidence has emerged. Despite bold claims at press conferences and prestigious awards given to those proposing these ideas, the reality remains uncertain. Shouldn't we remain open to alternative explanations? Let's talk about 3I Atlas specifically. And this is the part most people miss. When anomalies arise. After all, humanity itself has sent probes into interstellar space over the last half-century. Yet, when Avi Loeb suggested this idea regarding 3I Atlas, he faced swift backlash. Chris Lintott, an Oxford astronomer and editor of research notes of the American Astronomical Society, dismissed the notion outright, calling it nonsense on stilts, and accusing Loeb of insulting serious scientific efforts. Lintott even requested that Loeb remove references to this hypothesis before accepting his paper for publication. Is it really fair to label such a hypothesis as nonsense? Imagine if, decades ago, mainstream astronomers had dismissed the idea of primordial black holes as candidates for dark matter, simply because everyone was fixated on WIMPs. Would that not stifle innovation and limit our understanding of the universe? Encouraged by Lintet's critique, Loeb co-authored another paper titled Is the Interstellar Object 3I Atlas Alien Technology? This time, the authors explicitly framed the work as a pedagogical exercise designed to spark curiosity and encourage further investigation. They acknowledged that 3I Atlas is most likely a natural object, probably a comet, but emphasized the importance of gathering more data to rule out other possibilities. Why does academia sometimes react so harshly to unconventional ideas? Even Galileo faced persecution for challenging established beliefs. Though history eventually proved him right, if the Vatican had embraced his methods rather than silencing him, perhaps centuries of resistance to heliocentrism could have been avoided. Similarly, modern science risks alienating young innovators by ridiculing out-of-the-box thinking. Public mockery of novel hypotheses doesn't just harm individual researchers, it stifles progress across entire fields. Consider this. Why do we readily accept the search for anomalous radio signals as potential technosignatures, while dismissing the possibility of finding alien artifacts among interstellar objects? Isn't this distinction arbitrary? Committees tasked with allocating federal research funds often argue against investing in the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, citing risks of wasting taxpayer money. But surveys show that the public actually prioritizes such endeavors. Who decides what constitutes a worthy scientific pursuit? Expert panels, or the very people funding the research? The consequences of gatekeeping extend beyond missed opportunities. It erodes trust in science itself. Remember how mainstream scientists initially ridiculed the theory that COVID-19 might have originated from lab experiments involving serial passage or gain-of-function research. A recent study validated this possibility, underscoring the dangers of dismissing hypotheses prematurely. As the paper concludes, science begins with questions and derives its answers through evidence. So what do you think? Is it time for science to shed its elitist tendencies and welcome diverse perspectives? Or should we continue down this path of rigid conformity, potentially missing groundbreaking discoveries along the way? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear them. About the author. Avi Loeb is a renowned astrophysicist and the head of the Galileo Project. He served as the founding director of Harvard University's Black Hole Initiative and chaired the astronomy department from 2011 to 2020. Loeb is also a former advisor to the President's Council of Advisors on Science and Technology, and the author of several influential books, including Extraterrestrial and Interstellar. His work challenges conventional thinking and inspires new generations of scientists to explore the unknown.